Hey guys, I just received my newest acquisition. So proud. A nice jet jointer planer. Can't wait to get home and get it to work. Yes, so finally I have my jointer and I'm so happy to have it here at my place. Just offloaded it, but it was extremely heavy. So yes, this is a jet helical head planer. Yes, so you can see there are the helical heads, and I bought it from a very trusted source in Randburg. So you know who you are. Thank you very much. Yeah, I can't wait to level this machine properly and then start using it to get a jointer surface on my boards. And then yeah, I've got a planer already, a Makita planer, but this planer is excellent. My Makita planer leaves a little bit of snipe, but yeah, I'm so happy with this machine. Yeah, there's my Makita planer, but yeah, I will use both of them. Now I just need to connect the, I think this is what, how many inches are these? 6-inch. Get another hose for connecting the 6-inch outfeed there. But yeah, I so excited. This thing is extremely heavy. It's 230 kilograms, so it needs about 4 people to move it. Excuse me. So tomorrow I will be building a base from metal and wood for this, with some caster wheels to be able to move it around wherever it needs to be. So excited. Let's see what happens tomorrow.